Use a tight, mechanically fastened and glued joint, sealed with flexible caulk and finished paint to prevent separation over time. For a durable baseboard joint, start by cutting mating ends accurately with a 45-degree or coped joint depending on the wall condition, ensuring tight contact along the entire face of the molding. Apply a high-quality construction adhesive to the mating surfaces, then add a thin bead of cyanoacrylate activator compatible with the adhesive where appropriate to accelerate, cure, and lock the joint. This chemical tack method is especially useful for painted or primed stock that might otherwise resist bonding. Fasten the baseboard to framing only at studs using finish nails or a pneumatic stapler placed every 12 inches, and keep fasteners at least 1/2 inch from the joint so they do not pry the mating pieces apart as the wood moves. Where gaps are likely because of seasonal movement or imperfect cuts, back the joint with a thin shim of wood or a spline that spans both members to carry shear and keep faces flush. After fastening and allowing adhesives to cure, run a thin bead of paintable, flexible acrylic latex caulk along the seam, and tool it smooth with a wet finger to ensure adhesion to both faces and to accommodate future movement. Finally, prime and paint the assembly thoroughly to seal the wood from moisture swings and to provide a durable skin that helps keep the joint stable through seasonal changes. Common mistakes start with relying only on nails or staples and expecting them to prevent separation over time, which they will not because fasteners resist shear poorly and can work loose. Use adhesive plus strategic fasteners instead. Cutting imperfect mating faces or skimping on fit-up is another frequent problem because even small gaps will widen with humidity and temperature changes, so spend time trimming or coped fitting and use a spline where needed to transfer load. Failing to seal the joint with flexible caulk and paint leaves capillary gaps that let moisture in and let the joint move visibly, so always finish with a paintable, flexible caulk and at least 2 coats of paint to lock out moisture and stabilize surfaces. We at bighomeprojects.com help homeowners find local contractors and contractors find work by listing tradespeople and projects in one place. We also host an active discussion community where we share techniques, ask questions, and learn practical tips from other homeowners and professionals.